Hello, we're going to continue with this video. We're going to actually break the names to four pieces. As you see, Sam by itself, Jack, Smith, and Junior. Same thing for the second string, Christopher, John, Jones, and Doctor. I'm going to go ahead and erase this in order to show you how to do it. The first one, I'm going to be using a symbol function called Coleft, which is going to extract a number of characters from a strings. You specify the name of the strings and you specify how far it needs to go. We know the 4 is going to be 1 extra than the first location, so we're going to subtract 1 from it. As you notice here, it's going to go C5 minus 1, and here we go. We got Christopher. It gets a little bit interesting when we're trying to actually get to extract the middle name, Jack or John, in the second strings. That is going to be using another function. It's called mid, which takes 3 parameters. It takes the number of the strings, the name of the strings, or the address of the strings, in a starting position, and the number of the character that we wanted to extract. We know that starting position need to be this plus 1. And it will be going as many character as the second blank minus the length of the second name, which is going to be 9. That's the second space, minus the 4, which is the first space. Okay, so it's going to be this minus this. Okay, and that is going to go up 4 character, and as you notice, it's going to give me Jack, and here it's going to extract John from the second string. The same thing to extract the third portion of the string. It's going to take again the strings, comma, it's going to start at this one here plus 1, and it's going to go extract as many as the third position for the space minus the position of the second space, and that is going to give me Smith. And as you notice, I'm going to go ahead and move this a little bit, and it should be giving me Jones here. So the last one is really interesting because there's a function called len, which gives me the length of strings. I'm going to be using it, but we understand how it works, length. The last one, I'm going to go ahead and say mid of this, and it's going to start at the third position plus 1, and it's going to go as far as, regardless of how long is the strings. In this case is the strings, which is going to be, in this case, 18. So it's going to go from all. You could actually specify it as a 3 length, okay, of this one here, which is 18. Let me go ahead and do that. Minus, if you want to leave it, minus at this one here, the 15. And as a result, we'll be able to get the junior, and as far as one here, I'm going to get the doctor. So take a look at those function, how we did them, and learn them very well. They could be very, very helpful for you in the future in order to learn how to extract a compound name into multiple names in order to make them atomics. Okay, thank you for watching. We're going to continue with another video in order to show you how to use the substitute function.